Okay, this is the second time I'm recording this because first time I recorded it, I accidentally had the microphone off. So let's take a look. I found a little small example of how to use the interface. So again, we're going to have like three classes. The interface class, which the professor provided to us, and then we're going to have an implementer class, and then the main class where do we actually use the methods. Um, let me see, let me choose another color and let me stick to red. So I'm going to be pulling out the methods out of that class to be using in the main class, and of course this uses that somehow. So it all works together. So here I created this basic little program called Predator Interface Classes just to see what the heck I was doing. So in here we have this public interface. This is the interface class, and basically we're just declaring a couple methods here: chase prey and eat prey. And you could see that one's a void, and basically another one's a boolean. And um, I mean, usually what we would have here too is something that says public, right? But we don't have that when we're doing it into interfaces. We would do that in here, the implementer. So basically, and we have it accepting one parameter for, I don't know what reason. I just decided one parameter for each of them. So now when we look into the implementer, we can see it was the same exact thing, right? We still have chase prey and eat prey from this interface. The same exact thing. This one's still boolean, that one's still void, and here we do have it saying public, like on the other one it didn't. And now we have it accepting parameters, that one, and I just created this one, and I have it set to basically just say hello world when it's called. So if we go into the main method, the main class, or test class, I mean, we could say test class, doesn't have to be main class, but whatever, inside the main method, um, I create, I have this thing calling the implementer class and creating an object with it. So it's this class that I call to create this object, and now I can actually use that object. So I could say like a predator object dot, and this allows me to call any method in here. So I can call chase prey, or I can call eat prey, doesn't matter, and same thing that I explained with this diagram here, that we have this object, and now we can call any method out of this entire class here. So back to what I was explaining. So we can have it called the, well, what's this, chase prey, and this is a method, so we have to say like that, and end it with semicolon. And I don't see the point of adding having this parameter there, so we could get rid of it. And like if you see it, you see that it just like gave me an X. It's unhappy now. That's because I changed this, the chase prey parameter thing. It's different from what's in the interface. So we also, that what this means is that we have to change this too. We have to delete it, so it's the same. And now you see it went away. It's all happy again. So now we can run it. So let's run it, and as you can see, hello world. So I figured this is a little short example of what we're basically going to do. And again, it's like I said, we have an interface class, an implementer class, and a main class. And I think it'll work out fine. So I hope you understood the example. If anything, just call me.